This next mini project will be a perfect transition into your next project. So for this, I have put a Doritos commercial in the shared folder. Remember, to get into the shared folder, go into Go up on top, go into Connect to Server. On the right hand side, drop down menu, click on DFS, and then hit Connect. Once you've done that, this screen will pop up and it'll ask you what folder you want to go into. So go all the way down to the bottom where it says WRED folder, click on it and hit OK. Once you hit OK, it will open up that folder for you. In that folder we have Doritos commercial, and there we have another folder without sound. So this video you are going to put into your movies folder. Alright, so make a new folder in your movies folder. Alright, open up a new folder, call it Doritos commercial.
Are you talking to yourself?
Once you do that, click on it and drag it into your Doritos folder. It will download in there. It should be pretty quick. And now you are ready to start adding sound. So what you're going to do, you're going to find a 10-second clip from the commercial and add 5 sound effects to it. So what this commercial will look like and sound like
Hey,
is
Mr.
this.
Smith, want to try out my time machine? It runs on Doritos.
Sure. So now what?
Gotta put the whole bag in.
Okay.
Yes.
It's really what you're doing! Get out of my yard! Jimmy, you're so old. It's the future!
So there's that commercial, 30-second commercial. And now what you're going to do is add sound to it. So this clip has no sound. So you might want to choose this 10-second beginning to add the sound effects too. So remember, you can go into video blocks. So when you go into video blocks, you go log in. Remember, put in my email address,
Yes.
and the password is footage, FOOTAGE. Submit. Once it logs you in, remember on the left-hand side, you can go into sound effects, production audio category, so you can do view all. If you know what sound clips you want, you can go into search, and then I might do crunch. Click on crunch sound. I'm searching for it. Alright, and then I can see which ones I want. And the internet's a little slow, so here we go. So here's a crunch sound. If I want to hear what it sounds like, I just put my cursor over it. Or click on it. And then you can listen to what it sounds like.
So guys, you should probably save where you are and start tweeting Mr. Cass where you are in the project.
So the one you want, you can click download now and click the WAV file. Click save file, it will download. And remember, from your downloads folder, make sure you put it in your correct movies folder in the Doritos commercial. So remember, you need 5 sound effects, and you will insert those sound effects into the commercial itself.